What's up guys, this is a quick video on how to connect your Brother printer to the Wi-Fi router box. So right guys, this will actually work for the HL1212W and for the HL1210W, and it should work with any other Brother printer actually. So right guys, what's actually happened is my printer has been connected up for a few years, and what's happened is I've got a new router box and I've had to connect it up and it will not connect up at all. It will not find it, it will not connect up. So this is my tablet and this is the app itself. So I've tried to print that out and it's saying it cannot connect. So what I've done is on my phone I've actually deleted the app, reinstalled the app and tried to connect it up, and it will not find it at all. So after a few hours of trying and everything, this is the best way I found to do it. So basically what I've done is I've dug out my old laptop, and the reason why I've dug it out is because you need your CD drive on it to do it. So when you've actually got your printer in the box, you would have got the instructions with it, and you would have got some lead, the connection lead for it, and some instructions and your disk as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the disk. So whatever disk you receive for your Brother printer, you want to get that. Open the drive up. I'll just quickly put that in. So at the same time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this wire straight up to the printer and to the laptop. So I'm just going to get this tablet out of the way. So right, that's the actual wire connected to the printer and everything. So what we're going to go to is run and start. So right, yeah, like I said, basically this should work for the Brother printers as well. So just wait for it to load up. It is a pretty old laptop, so it will take a bit of time to load up. So now it's asking us to pick one of these printers. Mine's the HL1212W, and depending on what disk you put in for what printer, you'll have to pick yours as well. So here it's asking us to pick the language, so we're picking English. Now we're going to go to install printer driver. So here we go to allow. Now it's asking, do you want to check if there's a newer version of the software is available? So right, I've done this already and I've had this working. I did go to yes. What I'll do now, but it will not connect up. It just won't connect up to the server, it says. So now I'm going to go to do not try again, and we'll continue loading it up with the software we've got with the disk. So we'll just wait for this to load up. Here it's asking us to agree to the terms and conditions, so we'll go to yes. Here we're going to go to wireless network connection. We're going to go to next here. And then, so we're going to go to this top one here, print directly to the printer over the network. So here we're going to go to next. Notification for antivirus software. So we'll go OK. So right here, as you can see at the top, it has found our printer. So it says here HL1210W. So click onto that and then go to next. Like I said, I have done this before, and I had to decide which Wi-Fi connection, so it might just do that for you, but it's bypassed that for me. So it might ask you to choose which Wi-Fi connection you're using and to enter the network security key, which is your Wi-Fi password, and then it should connect up as well. So we'll see if it will ask us to do that. It just makes it a lot easier just to have the wire and the CD for it as well. I'm not sure if you can download the software to do it online, but best to use the CD disc what actually come with your printer. So right, let's just hope it works, but it has worked for me before. That's why I'm showing it you now. Like I said, it is a pretty old laptop, just gotta bear with it. Best to do this when you're next to the Wi-Fi box, really. So your printer and your laptop and your Wi-Fi box could do with being as close as possible. So I'm just doing it here, it's just more easier for me to do, but my Wi-Fi box is not really near us at the moment. So right, I'll fast forward this bit. So right here we'll just go to next to register your device. So I don't want to register it, but we'll go to next. Setup is complete. Finished. So right, that should be done now. So we'll try to print this again. So just waiting for that to print now. So right, there you go guys. If you can see that, it is printing it out now. So what you will want to do is go to the App Store or Google Play and download this app. It's called iPrint and Scan, the Brother app, and you can connect that up. So right guys, this is the app on my phone, and this would not connect up before. So one thing you want to make sure is that when you're using your tablet or your phone, make sure the Wi-Fi connection is connected up to your router box, which is the exact same which is connected to your printer as well. So I'll just go to print. I'm just going to find a document to print, so just bear with us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to print this, and what I'll do is I'll use one of these papers because it's just a waste. So right, I'm going to try to print this now and see if it connects up. Instantly it's done it, so it will actually print that out now. Just gotta wait a minute for it to connect up to the router box and then to the printer. So right guys, you can see that it's printed it out. So right guys, I hope this helped somebody out who's having problems connecting up, and thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.